the gym, sometimes 5 to 6 days a week. But he can't find half an hour for Quran in the whole month. So we have this obsession with looking big, looking dominant, looking strong. Because in the heart of hearts, you and I, we believe, we interpret that to be manly. So one day the Prophet ﷺ is walking in the streets of Medina, and he finds the Sahaba, they've gathered around the tree. So it's an interesting scene. So he walks over ﷺ. When he walks over to the companions that are gathered around the tree, he notices Abdullah ibn Mas'ud hanging off the tree. And the Sahaba that were around the tree looking up, they were laughing and giggling. So he asks, he says to them, what are you laughing at? You see, Abdullah ibn Mas'ud wasn't the biggest guy in the world. And Abdullah ibn Mas'ud at the time was wearing an izar, like the towel, man.